Welcome to My Life and Coasters, where today I've received this package from Paultons Park and I'm going to be showing you just what's inside. So, I believe that this relates to the brand new 2026 area Valgard Realm of the Vikings, featuring rides such as Drakon, Raven and Wild Swing. Really exciting area. Was at the Superfans Day last year when they revealed it all. Very excited for it. Going to be heading to the opening day and another theme park Superfans Day in just over a month or 5 weeks time. So yeah, without further ado, let's have a look what is inside this package. Got a lovely sort of stamp on there and this lovely like gold white tape all around there. It makes it feel very special. Let's take the end off and have a look what is inside. Oh, it is some paper of some sort. So if I just get it out fully. Yeah, we've got this very nice red ribbon right there. So if we untie that, then we can have a look. So we've got two things here. Firstly is this thing. It has lots of information about the brand new area. It does also say this is one of only 250 limited edition prints forged by our finest warriors. So yeah, very exciting. Got things like experience the wrath of Drakon as you're hauled skyward, our Viking world shrinking beneath you. Expect plunging drops, inverting manoeuvres as your heart pounds through your chest. Very exciting. I'll slowly pan over it in case anyone wants to have a proper read of it. Of course I will read it as well, but not going to make the video too long. Yeah, lovely Valgard Realm of the Vikings. That will be going in a frame and on the... Wow, look at this. They've sent me a poster, one of only 250. It's very nice. It's got very nice material. It's an awesome print of Drakon. I can't wait to get this up on the wall. It's lovely. Look at that. We've got the lift hill. Obviously, it's Gerstlauer Eurofighter, so vertical lift hill, beyond vertical drop. Got the stall for Drakon. The trains there. I can't believe to say I'm going to be riding this in like 4 or 5 weeks' time is so exciting. Drakon, Paultons Park. Yeah, I can't wait for this one. So, with all that being said, I'd like to say a very big thank you to Paultons Park, of course. Not just for this little parcel with a poster and stuff, but everything they do with Theme Park Superfans Day. I'm not just saying that. Paultons Park do such a good job with that Superfans Day. It's not just for creators. They do invite some Theme Park Superfans along as well. Only 250 of them, which is pretty cool. I imagine that's the numbers for the Theme Park Superfans event. Can't wait for that, coming up in a month's time. So to see more on that, I'll see you for that opening day then. Going to be lots of videos from then. There's going to be like Drakon opening day videos, different like behind the scenes tours I imagine. I'm going to film loads of that. I can't wait for it. It's probably the thing I'm most excited for in theme parks this year. And with that being said, thanks for watching this short little video and I'll see you in the next one.